In this video, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and change your YouTube channel name. If you find this video tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick tutorials like this. Now, whether you're rebranding or you just want a fresh new name here on YouTube, here's how you can go ahead and do it quick and easy. Begin by getting to the YouTube homepage and actually finding the top right corner of YouTube and clicking on your profile icon. From here, go ahead and select this view channel option. It's going to be right below your YouTube channel handle. Once you do this, it's going to take you to your channel. What you're going to want to go ahead and do here is go ahead and find this customize channel button just above these little playlist tabs here. Select that and it's going to redirect you into YouTube Studio, specifically the channel customization page. Now, in order to change your name, you just got to scroll down till you find this name section here, and you can just go ahead and delete it and type in whatever channel name you would like. After doing so, you just have to hit publish and you're good to go. Now, keep in mind, if you are verified, YouTube is going to warn you that you'll lose that verification badge. Simply just go ahead and hit proceed if you are okay with that, and then type in that new channel name whenever you're ready, and then hit publish again. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Oh, and before you leave, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.